What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, got a jam-packed video for you today, as well as 3 stocks to buy for the month of August. You don't want to miss this one because I want to make sure you guys got the right thing inside of your portfolio for this particular month if you want to make some money. But listen, guys, do me a favor. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, check it out. This article is from the Wall Street Journal, and it simply says Fitch downgrades America. And listen, guys, we got a downgrade in our credit rating from it being a AAA down to a AA+. And that was just a catalyst that the market needed to use it as a reason to pull the stock market back down, to cool it off a tad bit, to crash some of the stocks you guys know, like, and love. Okay, and so in a bull market, when stocks has been running up, this kind of thing is to be expected. Okay, you never know which angle, which direction it will come from, but they will always use or find something to bring the market down. Now, I just want you guys to be mindful of this. And so if you guys look around through your portfolio and you saw a lot of red on today, this was the catalyst that they use to do it. Okay, always know that news drives the market, and they'll use it to either take stocks higher or pull stocks lower. Okay, with that being said, guys, you already know how we do, man. Listen to this. This was from Charles Green. He said, titled this SPY Put. He said, "Thanks, Chris, for teaching us about the gap fill. I have been watching the SPY charts and knew it would pull back to fill the gap. Close my position at support in case of a run up after hours. See profit, take profit." Check this out, guys. Charles, 86.76% on this particular play. Just simply plan a high probability setup. I teach this all the time. All gaps will at some point in time be filled. Okay, you have to understand that they'll use a catalyst like the Fitch credit rating to bring the stock market back down to close a previous gap, for example. Okay, and he was able to make $2,065. Way to knock it out the park, Charles. And listen, guys, I wanted to also shout out Corey. This is for my pro investors, guys. They are probably the smartest and the sharpest in the business, some of the best and the brightest. And guys, I say every morning in the Discord, tap in with the pro investors. Between myself and my pro investors, guys, we are probably some of the best in the game. Okay, we are arguably the best in the game. All right, and so, guys, I'm not the guy that's gonna overly say something. I'm not gonna pound the table. I'm not gonna force anything on you. I'm gonna humbly say every single day, guys, just tap in. If you want to join the money team, just tap in. I'm not gonna, I know what we do. I know how we give it up. I know how we get busy. I know how we get in our bag. But listen, Corey said this. He said, "Coach, I had to go into Discord and give your pro traders some love. You and your team are amazing. Made 58% gain on my account today." Around here, that is what we do. We make money no matter what the market is doing. Corey, thanks for showing the team some love. More importantly, major salute to you on over 50% gain in your portfolio in the day. That's major. You can't do that in the bank. Now, with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and talk about 3 stocks to buy for this month. And I'm kicking it off with PayPal, because although this particular play did not go my way, okay, I was expecting earnings if they was to do their thing. Okay, so it's a two-way street. They needed to come through, and they did good, but good is not good enough. Okay, they met expectations. They didn't exceed anything. They didn't blow it out the water. And when you just come in kind of lukewarm, mediocre, this is what you get. Okay, and so I had a $80 price target on this, and they didn't deliver. They didn't do bad either, though, or they just didn't exceed. Okay, so the stock went down. But check this out. Remember, I told you we want this in the 60s, ideally 70 and below, 72 and below, 69, 68. Look at what we're getting a chance to get this. This is sitting at $68.20. Now listen, this will still go to $80. That is my price target on this. It's just going to get there through grinding it out each and every day in the market versus having earnings boosted towards that price target. Okay, so for the month of August and for the next 30 to 60 days, for the next 30, 60, 90 days, I see this potentially going to around $77 to $80 and I will be loading the boat on this, especially in the 60s, because this is just too much of a steal, okay? PayPal still has a lot of upside compared to stocks that has already ran. If they can just get back on track, we can at least get to $80. That's a nice little swing trade. This is something I'll be looking at, okay? Also, guys, SoFi, ticker symbol SOFI, sitting at $9.97. I talked to you guys about once this play took off, all right, the new levels that you want to add to our $8 and below position at would be $9.70 and $10. This is a perfect spot. And everything I'm presenting to you guys on today's video is already at a level where you can go shopping, okay? So if you want to get your 100 shares, if you want to work your way towards your 1,000 shares, this is a time to dollar cost average into the plays presented on today, as they will go to our target levels, okay? Just again, remember to trust the process, remember to run the race at your pace, and let this thing play out, okay? Sitting at $9.98, I will be looking to add to my position with a $12 price target on SoFi that I'll be looking for this one to go to near term, okay? This is due for a cool off, just like everything else. Again, sometimes you have profit taking off of earnings. They had phenomenal earnings. They have phenomenal fundamentals across the board, okay? And sometimes when the stock runs up, look at this. When you're up 50%, when you're up 89, 100%, this is called profit taking, okay, guys? This is what that is. Don't ever get it twisted. You need to see all dips in bull markets as buying opportunities, okay? That's all this is. I want you guys to be on the lookout for that. We've been crushing in this. We will continue to crush in this. Price target on this one, guys, is $12 from here. So make sure you load up and enjoy that ride to the upside. But understand, en route to that level, there will be some volatility. There will be some days like today. That's par for the course, okay? And then, guys, we have Google, ticker symbol GOOGL, alphabet class A to be exact. This one is sitting there. Oh, I like this. I was coming to y'all with this one because it was at under 130. 127. Now I'm excited. Now I'm ready to turn up. I am going shopping. I hope they stay around these levels because I buy stocks on Mondays and Fridays. So I will be looking for these levels, these low levels, because where is this headed next? 150, okay? We got this at 118, okay? And we're taking this to 150. So if you can get this, you might not see 118 again. But if you can get this here en route to 150, guys, that's a nice move, and I can guarantee you won't get that in the bank, okay? So these are the 3 plays that I got on my radar for the month of August, that if they are definitely at these levels, it's time to go shopping, it's time to load the boat, it's time to make some money, okay? Listen, everything that I invest in are also great trades. So if you guys don't want to hold, if you guys don't want to buy long term, if you don't want to do the whole 1 to 3 years type of investing, always think about these levels that I talk about and where these stocks are headed. You can trade your way to those same levels and make the money a lot quicker than the rest of us, okay? That is possible. That is a strategy that many like to use, all right? These plays are good regardless. They're good as investments. They're good as swing trades. You are the CEO of your portfolio, so do as you please, okay? Always manage your risk. Always know that these things are associated in the market, okay? Pullbacks are healthy, so I want you guys to take advantage of it. Listen, guys, we got the pullback that many have been waiting on, and I want you guys to understand that it is par for the course. In the month of September, I'm preparing you 30 days in advance, so guys, that month is seasonally a month the stock market goes down. So please be mindful and understand that you may see a little bit more of that, or stocks just trading in the lower range or near support. That's all they did, guys. They just technically, if you don't know how to read the chart, all they did was smacked all the stocks down and try to bring them down to or near support, okay? That's all they're doing. And so what happens at support? If they don't break support and support hold, stocks usually bounce right back to the upside. That is why I want you guys to be locked, loaded, ready to go. Make sure you keep some dry powder on hand so that you can buy stocks that you know, like, and love when they come down to attractive levels. All right. With that being said, major salute to everybody that did their thing today. You have to be flexible and nimble in this game. Some days it's going to be easy money to the upside. Some days it's going to be easy money to the downside. Let me know, guys, if you made money on puts today or riding the market down. Around here, we will get busy regardless of what the market do. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. So do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.